महाविद्यालयांत हजेरी ना म्हण कांय विद्यार्थ्यांक परीक्षेक बसपाक मेळूना। जेन्ना RTI मागले तेन्ना समजून आयलां की खुबशीं भुरगीं जी पात्र ना तांकां परीक्षेक बसपाक मेळ्ळा, मात कांय जाणांचेर अन्याय जाला। हाचेर जाप विचारपाक NSUI आनी महिला काँग्रेस गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या उपकुलगुरूक मेळपाक गेल्लीं। ह्या वेळार कडक पुलीस बंदोबस्त दवरिल्लो दिसून आयलो। RDX खातीर ताळगांवच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
अपॉइंटमेंट घेतिल्ले VC कडेन वायस चान्सलरा कडेन सारकें आमकां लेटर धाडलें। वी हॅड आस्क्ड परमिशन that NSUI and Mahila Congress wants to come in with the VCP with the students who are to become the victims because of the admission issue which has taken place in Karis. Because at the end of the day it is the question is about the तांचे फ्युचराचो आयज आमकां जाय जाल्यार हांगा 200 भुरग्यांक घेवन आमी येवन मॉक करपाक जाताले, पूण आमकां कॉमीक दिसपाक लागल्या की आमी येवपा पयलें 10च पुलीस येवन भरले हांगा, आमच्यान चड पुलीस आसा। So go and tell the VC that Mahila Congress along with the 4-5 students are come and we want to meet him.
सांगला मॅम ऑलरेडी 5 जाणांक धाड सांगला।
5 जाणां कितें करपाक? 5 जाणांक आमी येवचे ना, आमी सगळीं वतलीं, आमी चड कांय ना। 5 जाणां कशीं वतलीं? सगळ्यांक उलोवपाचें आसा। पळय हे स्टुडंट्स आसा, the students have to talk there. हां 5 जाणां कितें तें कितें हें करपाक येवना। I want to meet the VC with all, each and everyone who is come will go. आयज तुमी पयलां आसतलें महिला काँग्रेस along with the students who are been victimized, आयज विक्टिम्स जाल्ली आसा। कॉलेजीचे भुरगीं चड करून कारे लॉ कॉलेज द वे पद्दतीन तांकां एटेंडन्साक लागून त्रास जावपाक लागला। आयज एक प्रिंसिपलाचो इगो भुरग्यांक न्ही त्रासान उडोवपाक लागला। देर इज सो मच एटेंडन्साक लागून तांकां सेमिस्टर्स आन्सर्स करपाक तांकां डिनाय करपाक लागल्या ह्यो कॉलेज्यो। हांगा खंय तरी पार्शलिटी चलपाक लागला बिकॉज वी हॅव गॉट RTIs आमी मागल्या त्यो पळयल्यार हे पळय स्टुडंट दाखयतले। इन दीस RTIs देर आर सो मेनी स्टुडंट्स who are not eligible to answer the exams, whose attendance is below 50%, but those students are given, and innocent students like by Parimal and others are denied.
I mean, the people who can eligibility who can answer should be 75%, but see majority students whoever have answered the semester 2 are below 75%. You can see this.
71, 61, 69. These people have got all.
Okay, but if the college don't allow these people also who are less than 75%, will you be settling your this thing?
If that was the case, then why did the principal allow us to sit for the classes? Why did he take the written letter? See, I'll show you this letter. Okay, this is the letter given by principal. Okay, which says we are not eligible over here, but still the university has not replied. The university replies awaiting. So till then principal said we can attend the classes. Okay, and
Mahila Congress Mahilas. Now what are the Mahilas going to do? They have to be with the victimized students so they can put a strong representation. So I don't know what is happening in the university. The results are also being delayed. Some of the students haven't even gotten the marks right now. 60 days is the minimum days within which the result should be declared.
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, दादागिरी नहीं चलेगी।